Thanks for joining us today. Today, we are going to be doing an unboxing and a review of the Dirt Devil Complete Power Plus InstaClean. This is a 16-volt lithium power cordless vacuum. And, well, story behind this is that we had a Dirt Devil cordless vacuum before. My wife decided to clean it out in a rush one day, cleaned out the last filter we had for it, and since then we haven't been able to find replacement filters. So we decided, let's go buy a new one. So I checked out some reviews, checked out some feedback, decided this was going to be the model we were going to go with. It was this between this and a bristle. We figured this one probably our best option, price point wise as well as functionality wise. Our last Dirt Devil we found was really convenient when it came to the quick flip, was kind of a neat feature. We didn't have problems with power. It was an overall great tool. So we decided, you know what, let's buy another one. So this is an upgrade, of course, from the last Dirt Devil cordless that I had, and this actually has more power into it. I think the last one I had was probably 6, maybe 12 volts. It's hard to say, I can't remember because it's, well, no longer with us. But we figured this 16 volt, can't go wrong with it. And it has additional functionalities like the pet hair remover add-on for the front. And, well, we're going to see what it's all about. So here we go. We have the Complete Power InstaClean. I'm going to show you the box here. This is everything we have. Okay, let's go, of course, to the back so you can take a look at it. Okay. And of course, you know, you're not missing much on the sides. Same old, same old. Okay. So with that being said, let's open it up. Let's see what it's all about. All right. So what do we get in this marvelous box? Instruction manual. The attachment. Power cord. And as you can see, that's all she wrote. That's all we get. Okay. So, pretty straightforward. Your user manual. I'm gonna have your, I always like these long ones. It's like, okay, this, and this, but it's your standard type user manual. Let's see if I can make some sense of it for you. Looking for the English instructions. All right, let's start off with, here you go. Power brush roll, filter removal and replacement, and of course your troubleshooting, and of course your warranty. All right, that takes care of that. Let's put that away. Your pet hair removal. Looks pretty good. Sturdy build. Okay, that's how it gets the power. I guess it has plug-in prongs. Of course, it'll plug into the front of the actual unit. So let's check that out. Oh, look at that bad boy. Look at that. That's some heavy-duty machinery there. It's got a little bit of weight to it. I'll give it that. Removable filter. And this looks removable. I don't know if I'm just pushing it into itself over and over again, but there we go. Removable and looks like cleanable. Excellent. Well, that's good. Fits nicely in there. It's pretty snug. Excellent. That's what I'd like to see. And then, of course, your charger. Does the trick. Okay. So, pretty straightforward. Pretty nice. Fits together conveniently. Snugs in there. Easy to clean. And then, of course, all snapped in, ready to go. Beautiful. And, of course, your attachment on the front end. As you can see, slides in, push, and good to go. Neat little tool. Now, removing it, because it fits in there pretty snug, right? So, removing it, you're going to have to give some pull to it. So I'm just going to remove this. I doubt it has a charge at this point, because who knows how long it's been sitting in packaging. Remove that. Whoa, she's got power out of the box. That's impressive. Listen to that sucker go. Let's try the crevice tool. Wow. Nothing's falling off on this. This everything is like securely put. Crevice tool. Yeah, that sounds like it's got some power to it. All right, let's try the pet hair removal tool. Put that on there. Oh yeah, it's got some grip to it. Well, I'm going to say that's pretty impressive out of the box. Still has a charge. Very sturdy build. Like solid state. Like we're not talking flimsy plastic here. We're talking it's solid state. And yeah, I'd say I'm very happy with the purchase because that was very impressive just from the get-go. You know, out of the box. And this is what we get. Yeah, I'd say it's definitely a good purchase. And you can check the description down below to purchase one if you'd like it yourself. If this video gave you any indication as to how good the product is, feel free to do so. As I said during this video, as you can see, I've done small little tests. The suction on it was pretty awesome, even for the small little display that I did today. As I said, I've never had problems with Dirt Devil before, so I do highly recommend it. In the previous products I've used, and the product I used earlier, previous to this one, was actually less power. It wasn't the 16 volt, it was probably even half of that amount. And this, although I will admit, people will argue this is loud. It is, yeah, it's got some volume to it. But you are vacuuming. Are you worried about doing this when people are sleeping? No. Would you rather your tent, whatever you're cleaning, would you rather it get clean, or are you worried about, you know, the volume? That's my viewpoint. I don't understand why people worry about volume on things, how loud things are. I'd rather go for the efficiency, but that's up to the individual person, individual user. Other than that, yes, the Dirt Devil Complete Power, or any Dirt Devil cordless vacuums, I do highly recommend. So far, no problems with them. But then again, I haven't checked out many others cordless vacuums. Maybe in the future we'll do reviews on those as well. Again, thank you very much for watching. Comments down below if you would. Subscribe and notify. And thank you very much. And I'll see you in the next review. Bye for now.